Hello everyone. The Economic Freedom Fighters has criticized Judge Ratha, who is presiding over the matter of Senzo Meyiwa trial, for his remarks condemning a scalp in court involving a prison warden and 3 accused, saying they should not fight like Member of Parliaments. On Monday, the court was in the spotlight when scenes of a brief physical scalp involving Warden Vusi Jele and 3 of the 5 accused dominated on social media. The drama ensued during a court break when the warden saw one accused, Mthokoziseni Mapisa, sitting on top of a bench and asked him to not do so. Condemning the altercation, Mokgwatleng said, "This one of fighting like in our parliament, we do not need that. In our parliament, I once saw a president being rushed by certain parliamentarians to a certain extent. There was an alarm out at parliament and security had to assist the president because it was under the impression he had been attacked. We do not need that." The EFF took the issue with Mokgwatleng's remark. Though the judge did not mention names of parliaments or party, the EFF linked his comments to the drama at the State of the Nation address Sona earlier this year when the EFF members stormed on stage during President Cyril Ramaphosa's speech. They took it to their social media and captioned their statement. The EFF condemns Judge Ratha Mokgwatleng for his reckless commentary regarding peaceful protest in Parliament. Mokgwatleng's characterization of an event of SONA 2023 are misguided, unwarranted, and reveal a nauseating trend in the judiciary of judges becoming political commentators. The statement said, "The Economic Freedom Fighters condemns in the strongest terms the irresponsible commentary by judge in the Senzo Meyiwa trial. Judge Ratha Mokgwatleng, who made a condescending comments regarding parliamentarians who sought to peacefully hold Cyril Ramaphosa accountable at the State of the Nation address on the 9th of February 2023, in what can only be described as a descent into political arena by Judge Mokgwatleng, inexplicably compared the scuffle that ensued in his court between wardens and the murder suspects in the trial to the assault of democratically elected members of parliament holding placards calling for an end to corruption, unemployment, and violent crime. It must always be remembered that violence in parliament was solely on the side of parliamentary security, members of SAPS, Ramaphosa's security, and unidentifiable armed men who stormed South Africa's parliament and assaulted members. Therefore, Mokgwatleng's characterization of events of SONA 2023 are misguided, unwarranted, and reveal a nauseating trend in the judiciary of judges becoming political commentators. This trend begins at the highest court in the land and has now filtered down to the lower courts. The Senzo Meyiwa trial seems to be cursed with self-seeking opportunists whose desire to be the news supersedes their commitment and duty to execute justice. The EFF condemns Judge Ratha Mokgwatleng and urges him to refrain from spewing his nonsensical political views and undermining the Senzo Meyiwa case by catering himself in it. The nation is interested in closure after prolonged court case to find justice for the late Bafana Bafana and Orlando Pirates goalkeeper, and Mokgwatleng will do well to remember that and keep his political views to himself. People reacted on the statement and one said, "EFF is attacking the judiciary. It needs to be stopped." Another one said, "Agreed, he's simply biased and inconsistent with application of the law." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.